Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stock markets are mostly high on Tuesday, tracking the overnight gains on Wall Street and a rebound in crude oil prices. However, gains are muted as investors traded cautiously amid the volatility in crude oil prices and ahead of the US Federal Reserve's interest rate decision due on Wednesday. The Fed is widely expected to announce its first interest rate increase in nearly a decade. The Australian market advanced with investor sentiment boosted by the overnight gains on Wall Street and the rebound in the commodity prices. In late morning trades, the benchmark ASX 200 index is adding 0.40%. Elsewhere in Asia, New Zealand, Hong Kong, Singapore, Indonesia and Taiwan are marginally higher. Shanghai, South Korea and Malaysia are down with modest losses. Crude oil prices rose nearly 2% on Monday, rebounding from multi-year lows. WTI crude for January delivery settled up $0.69 or 1.9% at $36.31 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. In the currency market, the Australian dollar firmed against the US dollar on Tuesday, following the overnight rebound in commodity prices. In early trades, the local unit was trading at $0.7243, up from $0.7200 on Monday. The US dollar traded in the lower 121 yen range on Tuesday, down slightly from Monday's close in Tokyo. US economic data is the main event for today's macro numbers, as the crowd's attention focuses ever more closely on tomorrow's policy announcement from the Federal Reserve. US Consumer Price Index 1330 GMT. Consumer inflation ticked higher in October after 2 straight months of decline. Economy.com's consensus forecast sees no change for headline CPI's monthly comparison, down from October's 0.2% rise. Meanwhile, core CPI, considered a more reliable measure of the trend, is expected to rise 0.2% for November in monthly terms, matching the previous gain. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.